Hi, welcome to our next Level 1 algebra video. We now turn our attention to factorising, a skill most students find a little more challenging. Factorising is the opposite process of expanding and involves taking a common factor or factors out the front and placing the expression back into brackets. Here's a quick example let's look at to see if you remember some factorising skills. We're going to factorise 3x plus 18. Well, 3x is made up of 3 times x, and 18 is made up of 3 times 6. They both have a common factor of 3. So we're going to take 3 out the front of the brackets, and that leaves inside the brackets the x, because 3 times x makes 3x, plus the 6, because 3 times positive 6 makes positive 18. Let's go into some examples and show you if you understand factorising at the level needed for level 1. Here's example 1. We're going to factorise 6x squared plus 21x. Well, 6x squared can be made up of 3x times 2x, and 21x can be made up of 3x times 7. So you can see they both have a 3x that's common factors. So we're going to take a 3 and an x out the front of the brackets, a number and a letter. Right, well, first part is going to be 2x because 3x times 2x makes 6x squared. And the second part's going to be plus 7 because 3x times 7 makes 21x. So our final answer is 3x bracket 2x plus 7. All right, example 2. This is quite a tough one, and we'll go through it pretty slowly. Because there's a lot of terms and letters, we're going to break it up and do the numbers first and then the letters. So let's start off with the numbers. 14 is made up of 2 times 7. 4 is made up of 2 times 2. And 8 is made up of 2 times 4. So you can see all 4 coefficients have the number 2 as a common factor. We're going to take the 2 out the front of the brackets. Right, let's turn our attention to the letters now because we can take more than just 2 out the front of the brackets. This x squared yz is x times y times z. This xy is just x times y. And this xyz is x times y times z. So you can see they all have an x in common. They all have a y in common, but they don't all have a z in common. So we're going to take an x and a y out the front with the 2 as well. Right, now we're going to write 7xz because 2 times 7 makes 14, and x times x makes x squared, and y and z. Now we're going to put a plus 2 because 2 times 2 is 4, and we've already got the x and y out the front. Now we're going to put a minus 4z because 2 times minus 4 makes minus 8, and an x and y are already out the front, so we only need the z left over. So our final factorised answer is 2xy bracket 7xz plus 2 minus 4z. Great, thanks for watching.